Now let's start next chapter, chapter number 8, that is algebraic expressions and operation on them. For understanding algebraic expression, let's take some examples. Now algebraic expression will involve terms like say 5x, 6x or 7xy, this types of terms. Here I can say 2 times a number, so I can write 2x. Similarly, 3 times a number will be represented by 3x. Here x is your number and 3 times is 3 multiplied by x. Yes. Similarly, if I say addition of 2 number is 7, so I can assume that 2 number is a and b. So addition of a and b is 7. Similarly, I can say subtraction of 2 numbers a minus b is equals to 3. So this is nothing but your algebraic expressions. Now in algebraic expression we have term, variable and coefficient. Now the term I can take is say 2xy, then variables are x and y that are unknown variable and your coefficient is 2. Similarly, if I say minus 2xy, then your variable will be alphabets x and y and your coefficient is minus 2. So likewise, you can find the variable and coefficient from a given term. Now, I can say these terms are of 2 types, that is like and unlike. Like terms is like this. See 5x and 6x. Variable is same x and x. So they are like terms. And this 6 and 7. See x and xy. Your variables are different. So it is unlike. Now, when we are performing operations on algebraic expressions, we have to take care operations like addition and subtraction will be carried out in like terms only. Means we can add and subtract like terms only. So based on this, we will solve next practice set. Now we will see types of algebraic expressions. So our next topic is types of algebraic expression. Now, expression is basically referred as terms in your algebraic equation. So, let's take an example, 5x. Now, 5x is only one term. If I add 5x and 5y, we have 2 terms over here. Next, if I add 5x plus 5y plus 5z, we have 3 terms. And so on. Now, based upon these terms, we have different types of algebraic expression named as one term equation or one term expression is called monomial. When we have 2 terms, we will call it binomial. And when we have 3 terms, we will call trinomial. So, algebraic expression can be categorized depending upon the number of terms in that expression. So, if the number of term in expression is 1, we can say it is monomial. If the expression contains 2 terms, then it is binomial. And if the expression contains 3 terms, then it is called trinomial. Now, based upon this, we will solve our next practice set. Now let's start with our practice set number 32. In that we have to classify the algebraic expression into monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Now monomial means one term, algebraic expression having one term, binomial is two term, trinomial three term and more than three term if we have any algebraic expression that is categorized into polynomial. So based upon this we will categorize this. Now first is 7x. 7x means what? Only one term is there, so it is monomial. Next 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. So 1, 2, 3. Total 3 terms are there. So we can call it as trinomial. Next 5m minus 3. We have 2 terms here. So it is binomial. Only one term monomial. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms is polynomial. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms is again trinomial. Let's start with our next practice set, that is practice set number 33. In that question is add. Now algebraic expressions are given to us and we have to add it. For addition and subtraction of algebraic expression we have to add like terms only. We will add in vertical form. So first is 9p plus 16q. Now we have to add it. We will write like terms means p below the p. So 13p plus 2q. Now we will add this. So 16q plus 2q is 18q and 9p plus 13p is 22p. So our answer is 22p plus 18q. Next is 17a square b square plus 16c. We have to add this with 28c minus 28a square b square. We will add in vertical form. So 17a square b square plus 16c. We will take like terms together. So 28c will write below 28. Will write below 16c plus minus of 28 a square b square. So now we'll add this. 16 plus 28 is equals to 44c and 17 minus 28. So plus minus is minus. We will subtract. Answer is 11 a square b square. And now here plus 17 minus 28 is there. So plus minus minus we have subtracted it and we will write sign of bigger number, that is minus 28. So minus 11 a square b square plus 44c is your answer. Now next example is 2a plus 6b plus 8c. We have to add this with 16a plus 13c plus 18b. For that we will take first like term together. Now a 16a plus b is 18b plus 13c. So 8c plus 13c is equals to 21c plus 8 plus 8 6b plus 18b is equals to 24b plus 2 plus 16 is equals to 18. So it is 18a. So our answer is 18a plus 24b plus 21c. Now next is minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 and we have to add this with 7y plus 8. Now we'll add this 7y plus 8 and here we don't have any term, so we'll write 0 or we can keep it blank. Now minus 16 plus 8, minus plus is minus, So we'll subtract it and sign of bigger number. So it is minus 8. 10y plus 0. We'll write 10y only plus 10y. Now minus 3y square plus 7y square. So minus plus is minus. So we'll write 4y square and sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 7. So we'll write plus. So answer is 4y square plus 10y minus 8. So this is our answer.